fiscal year, almost 14,000 children arrived at our borders alone and subsequently entered our immigration court system. Since 2008, the Department of Health and Human Services has been in charge of making sure that these children have access to legal representation. Unfortunately, experts report that only half of these children are actually getting lawyers. My office has started to hear harrowing stories of 8-year-old kids, 7-year-old kids, 6-year-old children going before immigration judges by themselves without representation. Attorney General Holder, experts have suggested that transferring the job of getting these kids lawyers should be transferred out of HHS and into the Department of Justice. I'm considering this proposal closely. Do you support doing this?
I certainly think that we want to work with you in coming up with ways in which we can ensure that children do in fact have legal representation. If this is something that is better housed in the Justice Department, that's certainly something I'm willing to consider. But I would also say that this is going to be a resource issue. We should not simply give this responsibility to the Justice Department without giving us additional resources. As part of the immigration reform package that we are considering, I would hope that this would be something that would be considered. It is inexcusable that young kids, and you're right, 6, 7-year-olds, 14-year-olds, have immigration decisions made on their behalf, against them, whatever, and they're not represented by counsel. That is simply not who we are as a nation. It's not the way in which we do things.
Well, I hope our offices can work together on this, because you're absolutely right. It's unconscionable. Thank you. And thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much, Senator Franken and Senator Grassley.
Yeah. Once again, thank you for coming up here.